This is Great Hammock Fish Camp, and there is houseboat that we're looking at. I do believe that that is her with the for sale sign. So we just pulled up. You don't see a whole lot of houseboats, and that's her there. Slip number 13. Get out and take a look. All right, formerly known as the Lady Gray, only because the owners just got done sharing with me that they moved their sign out. She's a 1969. She's got good old bones. I've just done a walkthrough of it with the owners. I'm gonna come on through. Nice little catwalk. You don't find these with a catwalk these days. And again, in the 60s. She does have a windlass. Very, very honest people. They're basically, they don't know if that works or not. It's a small walk-through or hand through there, the window, to a small little berth in front. Looks like a storage hatch. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that open real quick. A little bit of gooey fingers. There you go. So that's gonna go underneath of the front berth. I'll show you that in a second. So I know everybody kind of rushes these videos. Oh, there we go. And again, a full catwalk all the way around. So in the picture, they've got ballast in the back, so it kind of doesn't sit. It sits heavy in the front and the bow. And I'm gonna start here. Alrighty. There's your captain's helm. Windows, they've got everything kind of closed up, so I'm just gonna, there's the Expedition. What's up? So, small little sleeping area there. Probably my wife and I could probably make it there together. Steps down. And I found this interesting. As you turn right immediately, this has been gutted. Freshwater storage tank is in here. They just put in a brand new Coleman air conditioner, $1,800 installed. And down here is all fiberglass. So on the flip side, where I just opened up that hatch, and you saw that window there, this is all sealed fiberglass from the hull. So you can actually make this into a small little berth. Little hot. Let me see here. Let me kind of step back a second. This kind of gives you an idea of your headroom. So it looks like they were going to make it into a little bedroom area. Coming into the kitchen, ice cold little Magic Chef refrigerator. Cupboards. Nice little microwave. Looks like that's the plug for the microwave. Little cupboards there. You could, since you have sleeping up front for mom and dad, you could put 4 bunk beds, build them a little bit smaller than what you see here to this wall. You could put one over on that side, but I'm going too fast because they have a hot plate here. They've got another one, it looks like. And these are, the drawers looks like they are auto close, which is nice when you're underway. So, need some work. And then this is your pass through. All you do is sit your butt down. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hatches, what they're using, so you understand why she sits high in the back. So her engines are gone, so they've got an outboard. I'll show you that in a second. And they're using the water tanks as ballast, which I understand to help distribute the weight. And the other side, here, spot for your generator. Let me shut that down. Whoops. Hold on. Fishing rod got stuck in the way there. But she has a nice jack plate, old Mariner, and she's got a little kicker plate there as well. I think I just turned off the phone. So I'm gonna turn off this video real quick. We can edit this out. Alrighty, so back to it. So up top, I'm gonna climb a ladder. It's got a cool little aluminum roof on the back. covering that back deck area. And surprisingly for 1969, the fiberglass deck is in excellent shape. Brand new air conditioner. And I'm gonna pop up on the top of the deck. Top of the deck is in fantastic shape. So there is literally no soft spots whatsoever. Everything is in really, really solid. I mean, generally when you knock on these old boats, they sound horrible or there's some type of crushing point or soft spot. A lot of area up top. I mean, I'm just gonna pan around the area real quick to kind of show you. I mean, you really get a good vibe. There's one of the old dogs next to it. So, I need to go hang out with my family. Anyways, this thing's pretty cool. Airboat running. They do tours out here big time. So yeah, this is a cool old vessel, man. I'm super stoked about it. I know my kids are like, oh God, but they don't see what I see. We kind of got a side shuffle, little washout there. So, great boat, old bones. All right, and that is her.
Okay, so we're here at the grave hammock, and there was a little bunny stuck, so we're gonna try to save him down here, see what happens. Oh, he's moving. He's out of the thing now, so he's probably gonna run.
Very, very scary.
No, he went the wrong way. He's fast. He's gonna. Oh, where'd he go? He's right there.
Well, maybe we can move him on up.
Maybe you can. He's pretty fast. Holy cow! Ah, he just went. Right here. All right, never mind. It looks like he's pretty good. Where did he go now?
Right here. Come on, buddy.
Was he in the water? Aw. Oh, he is.
Oh, I had him.
He did too.
Great idea.
2 nets. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right here, babe.
Whereabouts?
Right here. So
Yeah, that's gonna be real difficult.
with the line in the way.
Yeah.
You want me to hold one?
Nope. Hi. How you
He's
doing?
looking at you. He's like, hey, what's up?
Can we get him?
Did you
hide?
see where he... You want to jump on that blue boat? I don't even see where he... Oh, there he is. I see him now. Just trying to save you, buddy. Here, baby.
Oh, he's going over there. He's in the water.
He doesn't. It doesn't seem like he does. Where'd he go? He's over this way. In the water now.
Right on the edge of the water there.
He's going to end up running back this way.
Oh, I see him.
He's right on the... Right there in the water now.
He's in the water. Okay.
Aww.
He's
Come on, little buddy. Yeah,
I
he is.
see him. You don't want to get in the water. That might be tough.
There you go.
Oh!
No.
If we had him in this one, we would have had him.
He jumped out and did a flip.
Maybe we can get him tired. Because I know I'm getting tired.
Where did he go now? I don't even see where he went.
Right
here.
Oh, I see him now.
Yeah, now.
Oh, dang, little booger.
So he's
Yeah.
stuck in here.
He doesn't know where to go.
Oh, wait. What are you doing? Oh, he's just a... Where did he go now? I don't see him now.
So So now if you guys would have stayed at the house, guess what you wouldn't be doing right now?
Where did he go? Oh, there he is, right there.
Yeah.
He's right in that little crevice, so if you can get maybe on that,
No,
he's
that's where
right.
I want him. I want him right inside there. That's perfect.
We're gonna want to use a bigger. Oh, smaller.
He's,
Hey, bud.
he's getting tired, maybe.
Breathing hard.
Yeah, but he's stuck.
Trying to save you, bud.
If he had a way out,
He would have gotten it,
he would have gotten out.
but he knows that water's right there. I think he has.
I don't know. Oh, he's right there. You want to just get him to the one place.
You had him about right here. He keeps back and forth.
Oh, he's in the corner again.
Which corner?
He's at right there.
Right?
Right.
Right there in the corner, right there.
Okay, got it.
He's coming out. He's coming out.
Aw, he looks
He's hiding.
cold.
You want to use a bigger one, or is it too short?
It's too short.
He's getting ready to run.
Got it. Oh, he comes right out of it though. How does he get out of that thing?
I don't know, but he's good.
He got right. He got him, and he got right out of there.
Get him out of the water.
Water, yeah.
Hi. He's trying
Yeah,
to save you.
he's stuck. Well, they're trying to save you, but should leave you for alligator food.
These bunnies are that fast.
Yeah, they're pretty quick. Wow. Wild one.
Yeah,
You got eyes on him?
I've lost him.
Oh,
Do you
he's
see
right
him?
in there. In those bushes.
Oh yeah, he's trying to hide.
Up, yep, I see him.
Branches.
He's thinking you're straight now. He's like, I already know what you're doing.
He's looking back this way, so he's gonna run back this way if you're not careful.
You got it.
Find that
He's
feet
under this.
under it now. He's like, haha, can't get me now. Sucker.
He's eating grass.
Is he eating?
Yeah, he's eating grass.
He's back over here.
Burning energy.
Burning energy. He just-
You are a clever little dude. I'll give you that
I
much.
can jump down on that one.
Oh yeah, that's true.
They saying. Yep, I see him. He's not gonna let you catch him. He's like, he reminds me of Nala.
Yep, I see him.
Where?
Aww.
Where? Oh, he's swimming. Hurry. He's swimming this way.
Oh wow.
Oh, he's swimming.
Here, hold this, Jay. Don't drop it, please. It's.
No, I don't want to.
Where'd he go?
I don't want to record. Can I take you? Okay. Thank you. You might catch him here.
There's a guy named Allie in there somewhere. Who's trying to get him.
Oh! Yes!
Come on, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, he made it.
You got him.
There we go.
But he's gonna go back in.
Let him be. Let him be.
Jumped right back in, bro.